Begin your lip wax by properly cleaning the area with RICA's Cotton Milk PRE-epil gel. It is very important to be sure that the area to be waxed is thoroughly cleansed and dried. If you see that your client has a lot of makeup on, has oily skin, or is sweating, you may need to clean the area more than once. Be sure to dry the area properly by blotting it with a tissue. This will ensure that the wax will adhere properly to the hair. If you still see moisture on the skin or if there is humidity in the air, apply a thin layer of powder before waxing. The Brazilian film wax should be set between 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. The consistency should be thicker than that of RICA's liposoluble wax. Using a wooden spatula, apply a thin layer to the skin. This layer should be twice as thick as RICA's liposoluble wax, but about half as thick as a typical hard wax. Once it's applied, wait 1 to 2 seconds for it to dry and press firmly on the wax to ensure that it is adhered properly to the hair. Hold the skin taut, lift the edge with your finger, and remove it in the opposite direction of the hair growth. Notice how effectively the hair has been removed and how flexible the wax still is. When waxing the lip, it is best to work in 3 sections. Next, work the middle section with the same technique. Your clients will notice that with the film wax, they can expect a much more comfortable and virtually painless waxing experience. Another very important benefit to how gentle RICA wax is on the skin is that there are no contraindications, as well as the fact that if there are stubborn hairs left behind, you can very gently and safely wax over the same area twice. If this needs to be done, it's recommended to apply the wax in the opposite direction of the hair growth and remove it in the direction of the hair growth. You will notice that your clients have very little to no discomfort and the skin looks fantastic with little to no redness. If anything, they may have a slight pinkish color, much different than the results from most waxes. Finish the last section of the lip with the same technique. To clean the skin, use RICA's Avocado Post-epil lotion. Spray a small amount on a cotton round and apply to the area to remove any wax residue and calm and nourish the skin. If your client is more sensitive or tends to break out in this area after waxing, then use RICA's coconut emulsion instead. This is a water-based product that will not clog the pores, but still cleans, calms, and nourishes the skin with the wonderful scent of coconut. RICA also has a great retail item in their avocado line called After Wax Serum. This can be used anywhere on the body to slow the hair growth and prevent ingrown hairs.